Text split in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I have used some data that includes name and surname. Name and surname is separated using space. Now if you want to split this text using the first name and last name, what you will have to do is there is a function called split. In order to use that function, type equal to, then split, use this function. Now use the text, then hit comma. Now use the delimiter. That would be in our case 2 colon. And then close the text and hit enter. So let me show you again. For this A2, do the same. Hit equal to, then write split. After that, select the text, now comma, now add the delimiter, that is quotation space quotation, and then close the bracket and then hit it. Now you can see this text is splitted in two halves based on the space used. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.